Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram feed is not showing new posts. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're trying to load up Instagram here and it's not showing any new posts, it's dated back, say, a few hours ago or yesterday and it won't load, I'll walk you through some steps to definitely get it working again. The very first thing that we'll do is we will open up Safari or Google Chrome or something like that, and we will do a quick speed test. So go to Google and type in speed test, then hit run speed test. Now we want to check and make sure that your internet connection is fast enough to load up new posts on Instagram and make sure that that is not the specific issue that you're having, that your internet is limiting that. So if it's anything faster than say 5 megabytes per second, that's plenty fast enough to load up any of those new Instagram posts. If it's not fast enough, what you can do is you can swipe down from the top right here and you can toggle off your Wi-Fi. So just by toggling off your Wi-Fi, you can switch over to cell data, and sometimes that's faster depending on where you are and the region and internet connection that you have. Now that we make sure that your internet is working, the next step is to make sure that Instagram itself is not down. So again, we're going to go to Google and type in "is Instagram down?" and then we're going to head to Down Detector, this very first option. So now we're on Down Detector. You can see there's no all of a sudden spike in reports that Instagram and their servers are down. Because if it's not refreshing the feed, it could be that Instagram servers are down and your phone has internet, but it's just not able to connect to the Instagram servers. But you can see here that there's no sudden big spikes in reports. If there is, then definitely Instagram servers are just down. That's why you can't refresh the feed. And unfortunately, you just have to wait until they get things back up and running again. But if this looks okay like it does now, the very last step is we're going to hop out of here and we're going to open up our settings. And then we're going to scroll down and tap on General and then iPhone Storage midway down. Now this will load up all of the apps that you have on your phone, and let's find Instagram. There it is. We'll offload the app and then reinstall this Instagram app. And what this does is it resets all of the core app files in the Instagram app itself. It doesn't delete any of your drafts or your DMs or your login, but it helps if there are any bugs or glitches within the app itself, and it installs a fresh new version of Instagram. So once that's done, we can open Instagram back up. You can see I'm still logged into my account, and if you swipe down, you should be able to update your feed and get the latest, newest versions of posts and photos and videos and all that stuff. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.